Hey y'all, it's Sunday, and you know, self-care always comes before Sunday. And there's a bunch of things to self-care about. You got spiritual, physical, mental, everything, environmental. You hear me? I need to clean this room, do my laundry. I just woke up like this. I did not. I brushed my teeth, fixed my hair. My hair was not like this. This past weekend, I was putting in a slick, like type of like style. But then I kind of got tired of it because it started like becoming humid outside, and then my hair kind of shrunk up and it doesn't look good. And I just washed my hair like 3 days ago, so I need to wash my hair one more time. So I'm gonna do that. Church starts in an hour. That's very important. The past couple of weeks I've been watching church later on the day because it just has not been working out. And today I'm like, I might have to watch it later on in the day, and I don't want to, because once you do that, it starts becoming a habit. You just start doing church and then it doesn't become a priority, and then that's not what I want. Church is a priority for me every single day. I do spend time with God in the morning, but then, you know, Sundays, you know, it's a holy day. Every day. But on Sundays, I do want to, you know, keep that respect and my priorities straight. Right now, it's 11:47. I wanted to go get brunch, but not like those fancy DC like city brunch where we're all dressed up. Not like that, just something quick. And the place is like 5 minutes from my house, like 8 minutes. I'll see. I'm just gonna reapply my sunscreen while I'm talking. It's the Skin Proud sunscreen. If you guys have other favorite sunscreens, let me know. This one has been working for me, but I just want to, if it's working for me, obviously you can't fix what's not broken, but you know, I want to expand. Today I want to do everything because I just want to feel extra clean. My whole desk is a mess. My makeup bag, shampoo, conditioner, speaker, just like perfume, and it's just really messy. Plus my laundry, it's the most I've seen it this week because there's so many events. So I have to get this, separate my whites and my darks, do my laundry after my sister's done with the laundry. And then I don't know what else I have planned. I do want to take a bath. I want to shave tonight, feel really clean. I plucked my eyebrows. I don't need to get it threaded, but I did pluck my eyebrows. That's what I'm gonna do for self-care Sunday. So let's get started. It's currently almost 8 p.m. as you can see. Actually, I'm actually very surprised that it's still light outside like this. Maybe the sun will go down at 9. Like 9 o'clock is crazy actually. Anyway, I cleaned my room. I put the load of my white laundry, my lights. Next I'm gonna do my darks. My sheets, I was gonna go to like a public laundry place, but didn't have time today, so I might do it tomorrow. Since the room is clean, you know I have to finish with a candle. This is from Heritage, cedar wood and neroli. It smells so good. I'm pretty sure this is at Walmart. This candle, they sent it to me. They also sent me this. I've always wanted one of these, but it's always in my Amazon cart, but I never check it out. It was like that type of thing, but it kind of like, you see that? And then candle, and it lights it up instead of having like, you know, burning your, ooh, do you see the sun? No, I forgot to cut the top. Anyway, anytime you have a candle, make sure to cut the top because it can be dangerous for our lungs. And I don't light my candles every single day. I actually have a warmer, a candle warmer. This is so much better for our health and for your walls. You don't want that like black tint for your walls, especially if you don't cut the top. And I forgot to cut it. I feel like it smells better when the wax melts. You know I had to do this after cleaning up. It's like that finishing touch. I want to show you the best smelling laundry combo that I just put for my whites, and I'm gonna put on my darks, but it's just my whites is different. This is the Gain laundry detergent. It's the plant-based, the white tea and lavender one, and then this is the Downy white lavender. When I tell you this combination has my clothes smelling so good. If you like lavender, you'll like this. If you don't like lavender, I don't know if I'll suggest this. It's not too lavendery where it smells like, you know, grandma's house. It just has that like, I don't know how to explain it. This one has like that creamy lavender, white tea, like white lavender. I don't know if there's a difference. Clean, comforting. This is also plant-based. Plant-based is good for us. Really being intentional what I use. Obviously, every single thing I use is not organic, plant-based. None of that. It's just, I'm trying to switch little by little. Really be intentional of what I put on my body, what I breathe in, what I eat. I put these two for my whites, and then I had to do this, guy. I added bleach because I actually like the smell of bleach. Yes, I do. And not like just like, you know, in a weird way. It's just, you know, when you put your whites, when it has that clean smell and then like a light tint of bleach, I like it. And I don't know if it's a good thing. And I know bleach is not good for it. That's what I mean when I say all my things are not plant-based. If you don't want to use bleach, you can use vinegar. It doesn't whiten your clothes, but it does help with odor. That's what I've noticed. I think if you wanted to help with whitening your clothes, you gotta, you know, make a little concoction, just put baking soda and then white vinegar where the bleach is at. That's like a replacement. I just put these two for my darks, and I bought this last week and my clothes smelled so good this week. I went to go get brunch, like for my family and stuff. Instead of eating there, I actually brought it back, and then we just ate in the kitchen. Me and my friend, we went to the mall. We went to the mall because he wanted to get some, you know, outfits, nice things, you know, as summer's coming up. Just new outfits, new tops. And then I got I got this thing. I went to H&M. H&M hit different today. Usually, lately it hasn't been, but one shoulder top, and it's chrome if you could see it, but it kind of has that chrome. And I'm in my chrome era. Just jean shorts, just nice fitted. Also, I got this from Zara last week. This is what I mean when I say I'm in my chrome era, because this is like, I have an idea with my outfit. I'm gonna wear this pants, this top, chrome heels, chrome fit to just finish off with a bang, because I go through phases like this. Anyway, so tonight I was supposed to be washing my hair, but tomorrow I actually have like a sponsorship I'm doing tomorrow, so I have to wash my hair tomorrow. I want to take like a nice relaxing bath, shave, and go to bed, because like, you know, my space is clean. I did laundry. I feel clean. Just a good Sunday.
This the number one, this the number one, this the number one champion sound. This the number one, this the number one, this the number one champion sound.
Kanye, where you at, blood?
Yeah, Estelle, we
I just got out of my bath. I can't find my tripod, so it's in this weird angle. That was a good bath. I shaved, took a shower, smelled amazing. My hair does not look like it, so I'm gonna fix my hair. I also shaved my armpits like while I was taking a shower, and so I'm gonna go in with this ingrown hair pad by First Aid Beauty. I've never tried it until they sent it to me, and when I say I use it every single time I shave. This one I use it like when I need it, and since summer's coming up, I don't need like, you know, something too thick, and I use this because it helps with ingrown hairs. I struggle with that under my armpits, but I still put the pads on my legs too. I really struggle with my leg skin since I was younger, either strawberry legs or like razor bumps. I don't know if it's a gene thing, maybe you guys have it too, let me know. Spider veins, I have it all over my legs. I don't know if it's genetics or like the way I sit. I do lift 2 times legs and then like 2 times upper body at the gym. I've always struggled with like cramping on my legs too. Maybe I'm vitamin K deficient. I don't even. Every time I go to the doctor, they're like, it's okay, it's growing pains. I'm 24. I'm done growing. That's why I don't really like showing off my legs too much, because I do have like a bunch of spider veins, and it got worse. Like this past year I gained way more, and I'm like, I don't know. But my sister's friend is a nurse. She told me that to get compression socks from Amazon. I'm like, 24 years old, compression socks? Like, is this normal? We were in the car and I was wearing shorts. You shouldn't have this many spider veins for your age. I was like, oh, you should get spider veins. She was like, get compression socks. It'll help you. And she told me that a year ago. I should have gotten it. So if you guys have spider veins and like, or like struggle with that, help me out. Next, to moisturize my body, I'm gonna use this Ultra Repair Cream. This is probably the best lotion I've ever tried. I was so glad they gave it to me, because like when brands send stuff, you don't know how many brands sent me stuff. I never showed it on camera. You know, you're not obligated to post with PR. Did not like it at all. I'm like, I will not promote. If it's making me break out, making me, my face, my body feel dry, like just not agreeing with me. First Aid Beauty, if I could say invest in this, just do it and try it out. It brings super intensive moisture. They're not lying. And I will always promote this until I get tired of this or find something better. We'll see. The days I shave, like, you know, I want to smell good, but that's not the main point. I do smell good from my body wash and everything in there, but if I feel like smelling good, I will. Today I don't. It's fine, as long as I feel hydrated and moisturized and my legs feel clean. This towel is so comfortable. It's a microfiber towel. It's so gentle on my skin. It's not like a regular towel. This brand called Luxe Beauty Essentials, they have face microfiber towels, hair, body, and when I say I love it, the face one, I use it every single day. Another thing is my face has been feeling dry the past couple of days, and maybe it's because I'm not drinking enough water. If your face is dry, hyaluronic acid will help you so much. It will bring super moisture, and I already mentioned on my channel, but my skin is dry. It's on the dry side. I gotta like take care of it like that. This is not meant for dry face, by the way. Maybe the other one will help me, but I like this. If you have dry face, try not to use extreme temperatures. Actually, I'll say that to anyone. If you have oily combination, dry, try not to use extreme hot water or extreme cold water. It's actually ruining your skin. Our skin does not need like extreme burning hot water or like freezing cold water. Mid-temperature, warm to cold, warm to hot. Since I have dry face, I try to keep it just to warm. Okay, so I was planning to shave my face and do a mask, but the self-care Sunday might have to go to tomorrow because it is getting late and I'm trying to sleep earlier so that I could wake up. I have things due this week. I'm trying to sleep earlier to wake up earlier. So right now it's like it's 11:30 and I need to go to bed because my plan is to be in bed, my head on the pillow by 11 so that I could wake up at like 7:30 in the morning, and then just get everything, start my day, go to the gym, do some work, you know, answer emails. So the serum niacinamide really makes me break out. Maybe that's what's making my face feel dry. It's really good for hyperpigmentation, but I'm gonna use this La Roche-Posay Triple Repair Moisture Cream because my face needs that triple repair cream. It's feeling extra dry. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put on face oil. Ooh, that might have been too much. A little bit too much. And then I'm gonna use face oil. Don't forget your neck. You want your skin to stay as healthy looking as possible. Good molecule oil. I started putting this oil during the winter because my face started getting really dry. I would put it around the parts that are dry, which is like really around my mouth. That's when I feel it. When I know I can't smile without my face cracking. Right here, the rest of my face, it's not as dry. Moisturize my lips with this Laneige vanilla scent sleepy mask. But if you guys wear like some type of, you know, lip balm or anything that has SPF and it's really good, let me know, because of, you know, the summer's coming and I'm trying to protect my face. Wear my sunscreen, stay on it, wear the right amount, because I want my skin to stay even. Now I need to do my hair. I'm not gonna do a lot because tomorrow I'm gonna wash it, as I mentioned. It's like day 4, but it looks like this because I left it out. It was raining, very humid. It doesn't even smell bad. It smells clean. Okay, this works. And then tomorrow I could just like put it up again. I'm really starting to like diffusing. I've been sleeping on diffusing. I think I'm gonna buy a diffuser. I might want to buy the pattern one because I love Tracy Ellis Ross. Like one of my friends, she loves the show Girlfriends. If you guys watch Girlfriends, I watched the whole thing. I love. She said I remind her of Joan. Maybe it's how I look like her and like just like, you know, kind of remind her of it. But like Joan is like, I don't know, that she's different from me. But I felt like the face part, I kind of look like Lynn. I love Joan, you know, sometimes, but sometimes I'm like, that's not me. The actual Sunday's over. I'm gonna go to bed and I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow. So it's the next morning. It's actually not the next morning. It's the day after yesterday because Sunday I did good. Yesterday I had really bad cramps. Sometimes I can't do all of it, especially the week I'm on my cycle. Sometimes my cramps get bad where I gotta take it easy. I woke up like 2 hours ago, ate breakfast, but today's actually my friend's graduation. It starts at 3, so I'm gonna do a little get ready with me. I know it's a self-care Sunday. It was supposed to be like a, you know, self-care Sunday. I don't even know what I'm gonna name this. I'm gonna figure it out, but I used to do get ready with me's on my YouTube for long form. Then you'll see the process. Okay. Yesterday I washed my hair, so my hair's still clean from yesterday. I know it just doesn't look, because I don't want to leave out my curls. You know, I don't want to deal with curls and just getting on my face. Outside is hot. I'm gonna feel hot. So what I'm gonna do is a one pony. So I'm gonna kind of pull it back like this and just do one pony. Dip it so it's not, you know, stiff. I'm gonna get ready, brush my teeth, wash my face, do all of it. I still haven't had coffee, so I'm gonna grab it before going to the ceremony. My friend, she's a double major, so she has one at 3 and then one at 7. So I want to go to both, but if I want to go at 3, we have to be there at 2, because you know how hectic graduation. It's a college graduation. You know how hectic college graduations be. Like all the parking and stuff. I've been to so many this year. This is my 5th too. No, this is my 4th. This is the last one. Thank God. But there's more graduation parties coming. So this is gonna be a, you know, eventful summer. I feel it. My sister does hair, so she has a bunch of like extra hair, but I'm pretty sure this does not match my hair. It's way too light. I need something else. This can work. It's a little too dark, but it can work. I can make it work. I have 2 of these and it's just one braid, so. But the only thing is the prep. I don't like when I slick it and there's waves on it, so I have to do a bunch of prep. But the braiding part is so easy. Once I get that ponytail, easy peasy. Okay, so I'm gonna do my hair before taking a shower and everything like that. I feel like it's gonna take a long time. Just get it out the way. I gotta leave like in an hour and a half. I still haven't done my makeup. I still need to do. And I don't want to bother my sisters because my friends are here and they're getting their hair done, so I don't want to be like, hey, can you do this? I'm gonna learn myself, okay? One tip I learned is you have to start in the middle so that you're not having those waves whenever you slick up your hair. So I'm gonna start from the middle, make sure it's even. It actually doesn't matter if it's even because you're just gonna keep adding more hair. Now do you see like this? Then fix this, then add more hair so that there's no bumps. Because I'm not blow drying my hair, and usually when you blow dry your hair it looks the most slick up, you know, looks the best, I guess. I'm not putting heat for one day. I'm gonna use the Love Yourself Sea Moss Gel. Put that much. Then I'm gonna have this slick bristle brush, slick it up like this so that it's not, you know, it's not creating bumps already. And then just keep adding hair. See, this prep part is the hardest. Too much hair. I felt like a whole job. My neck is hurting. My arms are throbbing. Having curly hair is really a second job, I promise, especially styling it. And I'm really trying to style it every time I go out, like something different. Instead of just leaving it curly, because like my hair, like, you know what, I want to have fun with it. As I have this much hair, you know, I'm not always gonna have this as I grow older. So I'm like, why not try different things, you know, experience. God gave me this hair to experience different styles. If you hear my voice going low, that means you know the cramps are kicking. The energy's going down. My friend today that's graduating, very, very dear and near to my heart. So I wanted to get her something special. And I got her a Telfar bag. I got her like the mini one that you like put to the side. When I say these Telfar bags are crazy to like buy, why is it all sold out everywhere? And I got it and it actually came. But I was like, why are these Telfar bags so hard to get a hold of? I got a black one and it's the mini Telfar bag. You can literally just put like a phone and a couple of lip gloss. That thing is so tiny but so cute and she would love something like that. So I got that for her. She deserves it. If you're watching this, you deserve it. I'm just gonna put this braiding gel just so for extra hold. This is a whole workout. It's literally been like 30 minutes so far. Almost there. I'm mid-satisfied. There's still bumps, but way less than if I just put it up by myself. Baby hair. I'm also gonna take Advil because you already know I'm gonna get a headache from this. I also try to not do a lot of slick backs, but I just did back-to-back slick backs on my hair. But this is way more tension than the other ones. I'm gonna put a little bit of leave-in conditioner so that it's not dry and I still want my hair, you know, to look healthy and to be healthy, not look only. This pony's feeling like 3 ponies right now. What's going on? I think it's because I teased it, maybe. Okay, see, now it's starting to feel thinner. It's already teased, which, thank God. Sometimes it's not even, none of that. Anyway, so I'm gonna start braiding with my own hair first. But the top has to look thin because if it looks big and then when I added the hair, it usually like turns like this. I don't want that. If I could grab quickly, so like this. Here we go. Start it off nice, yes. And then just add hair, each strand. It's gonna look weird because it's curly to straight, but you can't tell if I braid tight enough. It blended, the color actually blended well. It wasn't that bad. Okay. I did pretty good, look at this. Now I'm regretting that I didn't take a shower before this because now I have to go in the shower like this. I might not dip it. Look, it's moving, right? I don't think I have to. The braid is not the best, I'm not gonna lie. It'll do, it'll do. Watch, my sister's gonna come, she's like, Sana, you're missing this. I'm like, okay, then fix it. She's the hairstylist. I'll tell my sister to redo the braid, but part of me, I'm gonna lay down my edges and then I'm also gonna put mousse so that it looks extra and this smells so good. So it's like a little hair perfume too. I thought that was hers. Anyway, y'all, I finished my hair. I'm actually back today. Like right now it's nighttime. It's like past 12. I forgot to show the actual results, but this was the look. Got this from Amazon. That's from Forever. Amazon. It was comfortable. It's just the pants was just a little too baggy. The whole thing for the whole look, that cherry on top was those chrome heels. It was fun. Now I'm just gonna like wind down. My friend's actually sitting on the toilet. I'm very tired. I slept in the car on the way back. I mean, no shocker. This self-care Sunday became self-care week, but it's okay because, you know, that's what happens. You get busy during summer. So I'm gonna get ready and go to bed.